Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. This is repair of the week. This saw is a 361. It's a very common issue on these when they're used for pre-commercial thinning. The muffler will work loose a little bit and vibrate. And here's the damage that was done. Of course, the muffler's broke out. This is the back side. Sits there and it vibrates, and of course, got a broken off bolt right there in the cylinder, which is not a big issue. But the big issue with this one is it's broken right here. And this is not that old a saw. And to put a new case in there would be pretty expensive for the guys. So what we're going to do is soda blast this, clean it up really good. And we're going to TIG weld it. And we will then clean it up, drill it, tap it, and have a very nice repair and very cost effective on this saw. You can see all the pitch on here. This is just from pre-commercial thinning. It's not that old a saw. And here's a nice little trick for you guys working on these chainsaws. Just drill a hole in your bench near the edge. Get you a bolt, slide in there. And you can hook the handlebars on that saw, and it's not going anywhere. And that frees up your hands so you can get in here and do some work on this. You'll need to block off this real well to keep any chips out of there. And we're going to drill that, use an easy out, and get that out of there. You can see this stud is broken off, and I've got a little bit of it sticking out, so it's not going to be a real issue about getting it centered. Use a little center punch. I can use this right here. These are great. You just push on them. Snaps, and it gives you a nice center punch. But now when they're broken off down below the screw hole, here's another little trick. You can pick these up at any of the hardware stores. This will help center that because it's chamfered. And you can see here how that bit comes out of there. These are in the cabinet section where you do your cabinet work, and these are just great for getting that centered just perfectly. That just goes right onto the, like that, centers it, and just lightly touch it, and that'll give you a center spot to start drilling that to make it easier to get that out. It's real critical to get a straight drill into that screw when you're doing an easy out. Okay, I've got the hole drilled. And what I'd like to do first is use a reverse left-handed drill, and a lot of times that'll back it right out. There it is. That was a easy one. A lot of times they're not that easy. And there is the broken off one. After soda blasting and cleaning, this is what the area looks like. We're going to do some welding on. I'm going to fill that area in and clean it up, drill it, put some threads in it, and it'll be as good as new. Just about finished. TIG welded that. I'm going to clean it up real good now. This is all welded up, good and solid. We're going to clean it up. Mount a muffler in there to get a straight shot on a drill. Drill that, put some threads in it. This gentleman's ready to go. And here's what we came up with. We're all done with it. Works real good. Clean this, give it a good cleaning, put a muffler on there, and it's all cinched up. Save the customer quite a bit of money.